Hello, everybody. Good
Hello.
good morning to everyone here, and welcome to one more class in English. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. I will present. All right. Okay. Let me present uh, here. So the the theme for today is squares and square roots. This we are studying. Okay, the letters is coming. Good morning, João Paulo. Okay, here. So, uh, introduction. Let's remind us about squares. Then, squares roots are easy. All right. First, we need to remind about squares, and then we are said about square roots. How to square a number? Pay attention. To square a number, you need to multiply it by itself. Example, what is 3 squared? 3 squared, pay attention, this is a square. You can complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can put 9 little squares in a square with a side of 3. In the practice, we need to multiply 3 by itself. 3 by 3 equals 9. So 3 squared is 9. And uh, we we say this name squared because this we complete a square when we square the number. A little minute more, someone is asking to enter in our class. Welcome, Clebson. Welcome, Leiliane. And Hayana is asking, but I don't know, she fall. All right. Let's return. Okay. So squared is often written as a little 2 like this. Little 2 here. So 3 squared equals 9. We read in this way. The little 2 says the number appears twice in multiplying. This means squared, this 2. Okay. Uh, one more people. Hayana. Welcome, Hayana. All right. Squared from 1 squared to 5 squared. Pay attention. This is a table of multiplication. Here, 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. And we can continue. Pay attention. On the diagonal, on the square, is the R squares. One squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and 5 squared is 25. Yes, someone can speak, can talk? Welcome, Douglas.
So,
Yes, you can say the class of
that's
today.
person que não. Esse person que não.
The class of today is in English. All right. After I can uh, I can talk something in Portuguese, but not now. Now it's only in English. So just see, all right, for the explanation. Okay. Uh, Negative numbers. Negative numbers, they can also be squared. All right. Example: when we squared -5, what happens with it? -5 times -5 equals 25. This is a positive number. Remember, negative times negative gives a positive number, right? So pay attention here. 5 times 5 equals 25. And -5 times -5 equals also 25. It's the same answer. All right? Pay attention in this detail. Square roots. A square root goes to the other way. When we square the number, 3 squared is 9. And when square root 9, we have 3. 3 squared is 9. So a square root of 9 is 3. A square root of a number is a value that can be multiplied by itself to give the original number. A square root of 9 is 3 because when 3 is multiplied by itself, we get 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. Here are more some squares and square roots. Pay attention. 4 times 4, or 4 squared, is 16. So the square root of 16 is 4. 5 squared is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. 6 squared is 36. Then square root of 36 is 6. Okay, one more person is here. Good morning, Livia, Kelly, and Maria Clara. Okay, yes. Negatives. We discovered earlier that we can square negative numbers. Remember? -3 squared is -3 times -3 equals 9, positive. And of course, 3 times 3 equals 9 also. So the square root of 9 could be -3 or +3, right? Example, what are the square root of 25? We can that -5 times -5 equals 25. And also 5 times 5 equals 25. So the square root of 25 are -5 and +5. Okay? The square root symbol. This is the symbol of square root. This, special little check. This is a special symbol, and that means square root. It is called to also the radical. we use it like this. Square root of 9 equals 3. Example, what is square root of 25? As 25 equals 5 times 5. In another way, we multiplied 5 by itself, we get 25. So the answer is square root of 25 is 5. Okay, a little more. A second, one more person here. Okay, Maria Clara, welcome. But wait a minute. Can the square root also be minus 5? Repair. I said square root of 25 is 5. And about minus 5? Because minus 5 times minus 5 equals 25 too. Well, pay attention. The square root of 25 could be minus 5 or plus 5. But when we use this radical symbol, we only give the positive result, all right? Or 0 if square root of 0. But we never use the minus for the result, only the positive result, all right? So, example, what is the square root of 36? Is only 6, not plus 6 or minus 6, just 6 positive. Could be the both, but we use only the positive answer. Perfect squares. The perfect squares, also called squares numbers, are the squares of the integers. Pay attention here. 0 squared is 0 times 0 is 0. 1 squared, 1 times 1, 1. 2 squared, 2 times 2, 4. 3 squared, 3 times 3, 9. 4 squared, 4 times 4, 16. 5 squared, 5 times 5, 25. And then we can continue only multiplying the number by itself. All right? So pay attention. After this class, you will continue, right? The calculus here. Right back. You will calculate from 16 squared to 30 squared. You need to calculate 16 squared, 17 squared, 18 squared, 19 squared, 20 squared, 21 squared, until 30 squared. All right? So here, tools, the calculator. We can use the calculator to calculate square roots, right? Pay attention for the symbols on the calculators. In some calculators, we have here SQRT. This means square root, or the symbol of the radical, right? And a curiosity, we have square root day, the 4th of April, uh, 2016 was a square root day because the date looks like 4, 4, 16, 4, 4th of April of 20, 2016. So I ask to you, what will be the next square root day? Hey people, what will be the next square root day? The last one was the 4th of April of 2016. The next will be Which number comes after 4?
5.
5. So the
Pode falar em
next,
português?
okay,
É
yes,
5 de maio de 2025.
yes, correct. 5 of May, 2025. Okay, good, thank you. And for this week, we will not have forms, all right? Just write in your notebook this squared, 16 squared to 30 squared, and uh, take a picture and send to my private on WhatsApp. All right? So thanks. And if you have any question, you can look me on my WhatsApp. All right? I will stop the record now to continue our class.